double burger, some fries.
Oh man, better late than never. Whenever late is better. Alright, so I guess the squad wanted to hit Concord today and hit a little Carmi, but I'm not gonna lie, no one's here, no one's pulled up. I'm getting gas. We're meeting up at Mavericks. I'm gonna just wipe down the whip real quick and then, you know, wait for them. Late as usual, Mustang owners. Hey, $5 though for 91 is kind of crazy. That's dumbass cheap. Shout out Mavericks, bro. Shout out Utah too. Sheesh. We got one hooligan pulling up. Not bad. Better late than never. Whenever late is better. What up, gang? Hey, my boy Josie pulled up.
What up, vlog?
We out here. Carlos, the guy who wanted to meet up early.
And look at him.
Look at him.
Nah, bro.
You get a bev or what?
Get a little
A bev? On me? Alright, so my boy Carlos pulled up finally. We got about an hour drive, so let's go ahead and enjoy the vibes and we'll catch you guys at the meet. Alright, so we pulled up, quick little spot before the meet. Wiping down the cars just because there's a lot of dead bugs on the bumper. We got the boys over here wiping down the car as well. The meet's literally like the next parking lot over. We saw like 6 cops already, but that's normal Bay action, you know, normal Bay shit. But we're gonna keep it pushing, so we're just detailing the whips. See what the Bay has to show out. 1 hour drive from NorCal. I mean, we're still in NorCal, but hour drive from Sac. Yeesh. Yeesh. Oh, y'all know the vibes. Why my hair look like that? New location drop for the Carmi. Y'all know the vibes. Carmi's be changing location left and right, especially last minutes. Damn, spin it. Damn, spin it. We're on our way to the new Addy. A little 20-minute drive up in Antioch. Antioch? I don't even know how to pronounce it, but hey, we out. We outside. We outside though. We outside though. Oh, he fell down. Ah. I don't know what we got going on over here, but there's like cops chilling. There's a dude posted up on the car on the Explorer. We got 11 right here and just posted up. Alright, y'all, so we just pulled up. We walking around right now. We got the squad right here.
Bro, we in Carlos City, bro.
We have my boy Carlos City, his hometown, born and raised.
Pittsburgh.
So let's take a little lap and let's see what pulls in, what pulls out. Sheesh. Who knows?
Oh my god.
Alright. So the goal is to get my boy JR right here and then get me right there. So you're next, bro. We'll do it.
You're gonna have to do the fentanyl stand though.
Mission success or what?
That 25 round with enough, I bought me a 20G. Can't come back for the nigga on the end that knows even that room go snitch.
They good?
Yeah,
Wait, can I bar it up right here though?
Got it.
What you think? All right, so my boy Jared just pulled up. My boy Carlos is over there. Now it's my turn to come and try and bar it up.
Like that?
Do I got bars? I don't know. Hey, you got me though?
I got you though. I'll do the.
Wait.
Hey.
That's a long type shit though. Okay.
What's up, chat? What's up, chat? What's up, chat?
Let's take a lap.
Hey, oil farming?
Oil farm, bro.
Hold up, my competition?
MMA, look where I'm.
Okay. Not bad. Yeah. Stained red. Woo! Hey, look at that Joker right here. We're just chilling right here, enjoying the whip.
Did you get that on camera?
I think I got the Joker on camera. The Joker from Pittsburgh, bro. Tap in. Tap in.
Bro, that's a striker health tank.
My bad.
Nah, that's getting more aim.
Nah, gang. Only in Pittsburgh you find this right here. Yo, this is like pulling a Charizard out of a Pokemon deck. That's actually crazy. Hey, those are LMGT4s, bro. Why does it sound kind of good? Hey, pop the hood. That's sorry, bro. Nothing. And?
I almost had you, bro.
Nah, chat.
I don't white it. Great.
Hey, shout out to today's sponsor,
Shout out to DD's Discount.
DD's Discount, for hosting the meet.
Hey, Bruno.
Y'all on one.
Bro, this is crazy.
What are they gonna do? Flip off the cop. Hey, we're hearing all the action right now. We're walking towards the action. Crazy burnouts happening. Cops giving 0 fucks. Oh! Yeah? Five. Hey, it's getting LA vibe. Hey, we gotta do this more often though.
We gotta be outside though.
Let's hop into it.
Watch out, little bitch. You getting mad? I'm getting rich. You getting mad? Watch out, little bitch. Watch out, little bitch. Hey, watch out, little bitch.
Walking like this, bro.
Look, hey, go through the sun to all of them over there.
Oh,
You gotta put it in drive.
no way.
Gotta do a burnout.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick though. Little bathroom break. Oh, we went to the bathroom for like 5 minutes. We come out to World War III.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, shark infested waters. Pittsburgh is.
Watch.
we're like an hour into the beach, still going crazy. It's popping right now.
An hour.
It's how Pittsburgh does it.
About to be over.
It's been over. Couple burnout. It's still chill though. It's still chill.
Still vibing.
Cops still chill. Everyone chill. We vibing. Damn.
Carlos would have been jealous.
Hey, look, they got the news right here.
Hey, news, Jerry, Channel 14 or what?
What did they show you? Oh! No! Oh! Oh! Hey, there's too much going on right now. I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to get. Nah, we vibing though.
It's about to be like that one place.
About to be dumbass traffic leaving out.
Y'all got locked out, huh? Locked in?
Hey, should we? Oh! Why is everyone? Nah, hey.
These things are pussies.
Hey, I guess we out. Everyone's scattering. Alright, everyone's scattering. I don't know what's going on. The cop, there's just one cop though. One cop, 100 of us, I don't know. They're like on some real shit.
Like, what's gonna happen, bro?
Like, we're just chilling. Hey, the three. Hey, should we chill?
We can chill.
Let's chill. Hey, watch out, Jared, watch out. Alright, so now we got two cops. I don't know if they're trying to close out the area or whatnot, but hey, we low-key chilling though. We didn't do nothing. Hey, you can't go home, but you can stay here. Where we going though?
Let's go pull up over there.
Oh! Hey, put a call. God damn, they're everywhere. God damn! Yo, Pittsburgh is wilding right now. Sorry, Carlos had to cut you off. Nah, let's bustle you. There's dumbass traffic leaving right now. It was cool. It was a vibe. I ain't gonna lie. Pittsburgh, you did your thing. But yeah, I'm with the homies. Honestly, I don't even know where we're gonna link up at, but I got Carlos right behind me. Might hop on a three-way phone call and go meet up somewhere, you know? I ain't gonna lie though, the cops low-key pushed everyone out real quick though. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, you can't go home, but you can stay here. All right, Charlie, that's gonna pretty much do it for a little Pittsburgh meet, Antioch meet. My bad if I'm butchering that, but yeah, for your boy Chicken Joe, aka Chicken, we pulled up here. Last stop of the day, Sonic. We got the whips out. Shout out to the gang for pulling through. Shout out for Carlos for inviting us to his hometown. But we're gonna have to catch you guys on the next one. Follow me on the gram, @Chicken Joe. Y'all take it easy. Peace.